Okay, so sometime question is asked in your MU2 and MU4 class exams that what is fuel pump lead? So fuel pump lead is the number of by which the top edge of the plunger will lift over the top edge of the spill port when main piston of the concerned unit is at TDC. Okay, so this is basically your fuel pump lead. Now, if you see, this is your fuel pump barrel, this part. Okay, this is your fuel pump barrel, and this is the spill ports. These are the spill ports, and bottom is your plunger with a helical groove. So now what we have to do is we have to first of all find out this position. Okay, when my plunger will be touching just my spill port top. Okay, this position has to be brought up. What we will do, we will bring the main engine unit piston to the BDC. Okay, at that time, my plunger position will also be at BDC as compared to my main engine unit piston. Okay, both will be at BDC position. Now I will start turning my engine. Okay, and I have to keep a torch light. Okay, I have to keep a torch light so that I have to find out when my beginning of injection has to come. What I will do, I will remove the erosion plugs from both the sides. Okay, and I will see the light will be passing through and I can see from the other side. I will turn my engine. When I'm turning the engine, the plunger of my fuel pump is also going up. Okay, and there will be a time when I will not be able to see the light because it is getting blocked by the plunger. Now I will stop here. Now this is my initial point. This point is also known as beginning of injection of the fuel pump. Now from here, how much my plunger is going to lift up when I will keep the main unit piston at TDC. That is fuel pump lead. What I will do, I will turn my engine. This is my initial point now. Okay. From here, how much more my piston is going to travel, that is fuel pump lead. What I will do is now I will turn my engine. Okay. And I will bring the unit piston, the main engine unit piston to TDC. Okay. I will check it by the flywheel marking that my piston has come to TDC. When a piston, main engine unit piston has come to TDC, so my plunger will be going up. Okay. Before it was at this position, that is beginning of injection point, and now it will be lifted up at certain distance. So this distance from the top of my plunger to the top edge of my spill port, this distance is known as fuel pump lead, and we will discuss the importance of it and actually how to find it out with using the special tools given in the next video.